Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can set when the phone will be locked after the screen turns off on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then from the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, go down and tap on lock screen. Next, go down and tap on secure lock settings. Then we put in the current screen pin or password. Then tap on auto lock when screen turns off. Now in here, select a time that you want to wait before the screen automatically locked. Now there is an immediately option, so you can choose immediately, and this will basically lock your screen straight away as soon as the screen turns off. Otherwise, you can ask it to wait for around 5 or 15 seconds, so that even if the screen gets turned off, it doesn't lock straight away. You can see here, if you have the phone with you all the time, and when the screen turns off, you don't want it to immediately lock, you can have it wait for some time before it automatically locks the screen. And that's it. So if I choose immediately, you can see that if the screen turns off, then it will automatically lock the device. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.